Dear children, today we will discuss parallel connection of resistors. What happens when resistors are connected in parallel? Right. See here, three bulbs are connected in parallel. So these are the three bulbs: first bulb, second bulb, third bulb. So the first bulb, first terminal, second bulb, first terminal, third bulb, first terminal are connected at one point, and remaining all second terminals. So first bulb, second terminal, second bulb, second terminal, and third bulb, second terminal connected another point, right? So this is connected with the battery, ammeter, and switch, right? You know, while resistors are connected in parallel, potential difference is same in all the resistors, but current is different at different bulbs, right? When resistors are connected in parallel, current is different but voltage is constant. So before conduct the experiment, see here on the switch, by using voltmeter, measure the voltage at first, second and third bulb. Note down those values. You will find that the voltage is same. After that, by using ammeter, measure the current at all these bulbs. You get different currents in all these bulbs. Why? Because here we will get different current. See here, this is the direction of conventional current. Now here I, so the current I at this point, here three ways are there. Now this I current is divided into I1, I2 and I3, right? So I1 current through first bulb, I2 through second bulb, and I3 through third bulb, right? So current is divided among them. Okay, now we can find the current, measure the current drawn from the battery by using ammeter. We will notice that the current drawn from battery is equal to sum of individual currents drawn by the bulbs. It means, so I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Here I is divided into I1, I2, I3, right? Here the first bulb resistance is R1, second bulb resistance is R2, third bulb resistance is R3. Now I1 current through R1, I2 through R2, I3 through R3, right? When resistors are connected in parallel, different currents in all these resistors, but voltage is same, right? You know, I equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Consider this is equation number 1. From Ohm's law, you know, Ohm's law, V equal to IR. From that relation, I equal to V by R, right? Now I1 current through resistance R1, no, then I1 equal to what? V by R1. I2 equal to V by R2. I3 equal to V by R3, right? Now these I1, I2, I3 are substitute in equation 1. Then V by R equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. Now here V by R is written as V into 1 by R, that equal to, here V is take common, V into 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Here V get cancelled, then 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Here 1 by REQ, equivalent resistance. 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Right? If two resistors are connected in parallel, so 1 by REQ equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So it is written as R1 R2 is well LCM, then R2 plus R1 here. This is what 1 by R. Then so the reciprocal of the resistance REQ equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. When two resistors are connected in parallel, this is the equivalent resistance, right? Suppose if three resistors are connected in parallel, so REQ equal to R1 R2 R3 by R1 R2 plus R2 R3 plus R3 R1, right? Suppose if number of resistors are connected in parallel, each and every resistor has a same resistance, then those resistors connected in parallel, so Rp equal to R by N. So this is the formula. Suppose R1 is 1 ohm, R2 is 100 ohm. When these two are connected in parallel, the equivalent resistance is R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. It means 1 into 100 by 1 plus 100 means 100 by 101. That is 0.99 ohms. Right? If two resistors are connected in parallel, equivalent resistance is 0.99 ohms. See here, R1 1 ohm, R2 100 ohm. Now, when resistors connected in parallel, the equivalent resistance is always less than the resistor which has the least resistance. See here, REQ is less than the resistor which has the least resistance. Out of 1 ohm and 100 ohm, 1 is the least resistance. Now we get the answer is 0.99. It is equivalent resistance. This equivalent resistance is less than the resistor which has least resistance. What is that? R1. REQ is less than R1. Right?